Morning. I'm Jared. That's the Snake River. I'm on a section of the Trans-America Bicycle Route, and it's in Idaho. It is beautiful. Up that way is Riggins. Up that way is Whitebird. We are going that way. So there's going to be Whitebird and a little town called Grangeville on down in Kooskia. Kooskia. And yeah, it's farmland. Whitebird is cool. They have a 33 or 3,400 foot climb that does a nice, and so it's going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully we're going to get that done before it gets too hot today. And it's in 10 miles, it's done, so no problem. I just have to stop in Whitebird to charge my batteries first, which we decided to camp here last night instead of Whitebird, being that well, the main reason is I was tired and in the sun all day, and I didn't want to do. It's a 500 foot climb and 5 more miles, and I just didn't want to do it. But it was easy because you see this environment I am in by the river. When you get up there to Whitebird, it's this little veterans park in the town. The only cool part about it is it's got Wi-Fi and electricity and a shower, which is a lot of good things. But I can knock out two out of 3 of those passing through town this morning. So this was a really nice place to camp. It's a really nice place to wake up this morning. And it's a wonderful place to be sitting here and drinking my coffee at 7:15 a.m. As you can see, we're already wrapped up. You can see a little impression in the grass there. I don't know where that came from. I realize there's no camping here, but I'm not going to leave a mark. I'm gone before anybody even knows I'm here, so let's be human and go up that road and collapse from yesterday was 59 miles all in the sun. And I stopped because I have a big ride over the next few days too. We're going to get up to Missoula by Sunday night. So yeah, we got work to do. Better get going. If you're thinking about going on a bike tour, do it. Out this place, huh? Wow. Anybody rich? So, yeah, the road off to the left there. That's they call the Whitebird grade. See it cut out of the mountains. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's new Highway 95. But we are going to do old Highway 95. And that's it. We'll be there in about an hour, so I got to stop down here in Whitebird and charge, which is all downhill. That's always fun first thing in the morning. It was a half mile on one, and this one was a whole mile. That's like 6 miles. Woo. This is the little veterans park that they have. You know, charger. They even have Wi-Fi. So that's very cool. And I know over here is like kind of a trailer park type of thing, and the town built a bathroom there for them with showers. So there's like you know, two showers over there, and that's. But you can see, I smell pancakes coming out of that restaurant too, man. I want to go over there, but I just ate 2 tomato sandwiches. Boy, it's kind of windy and cold. You can see you've got a lot of overcast, a little bit of blue sky popping through, but that's the unfortunate thing. We're looking at a couple days of overcast and possibly even some rain on Sunday, or even rain through it. So, but it is what it is. Yeah, I don't mind that I stayed at that place by the river and not here. You know what I mean? Not that this is bad. It's fine. You know, you've got power, electricity, and I have a phone signal here too. But, you know, I mean, small town, so I, I, I don't think they care. They're used to it for the most part. But, yep, general store. Maybe it'll be open. We don't need anything. Bike is light. Gonna ride up the hill. I don't know. I might put some pancakes in the belly, though, depending on. We'll go in there for water and find out how much they cost. It's $10 for 2 pancakes now. So they're all coming over. Well, now why'd you walk away for? Oh, oh. Hey, now be nice. What are you doing? She got you, didn't she? Huh? How about it? They're kicking the butt. I'm sorry, is it my fault? Why aren't you pretty creatures? You know, that's not why we stopped. Yeah, the horses want attention, but I don't, they're not mine, so I really don't feel comfortable just touching them or even interfering with them. Ah, there it is. This place is significant because that's the Nez Perce Indian tribe around here. And at one point there was like a civilian volunteer here fired a shot into the tribe, and they didn't like that. So they came and they attacked the military encampment here, and they killed 34 soldiers. And it was a loss for the U.S. Army. None of the Nez Perce tribe died that day. But then that led into a months-long conflict, the Nez Perce War, which ended in thousands of them fleeing to Canada. So, yeah. We can imagine camp down here and tribe Indians come down on that hill attacking you? No, I'd rather imagine being the Indians and living in this paradise and having these assholes with iron come over here and ruin everything. That's the worst part. Okay, whatever, here we are, on cell phones. Pretty awesome, huh? Oh, we got a ways to go. So, yeah, this isn't even halfway yet. I'm taking my time. It's not that bad. But, I'm tired from yesterday. Boy, the next 3 days are going to be tough. I gotta take it easy, and I'm looking forward to getting to Missoula. A couple of rest days, taking it easy. Yes. Very good. That's Whitebird all the way down there. Ooh, that's about 2,200 feet, 2,300 feet from Skookumchuck. We're 2,800 feet for the day so far. We got another 1,200 foot to go just to get to Grangeville, but it's only another mile and a half and we're at the top of this pass, and then it's going to be kind of the rest of the day and then a drop down. But oh yeah. I love looking at the homes. Just imagine what it's like. Who owns it? Maybe James Patterson owns that house. Comes up here and writes his Alex Cross novels. Oh, beautiful. We're going up the highway here, the new one. It's only 6.5 miles. If you go that way, it's 10 miles or 9.5. Look, yeah, this is going to be at least a 7% grade. Gotta do the last like 2 miles on this highway, and it is. I'm spent. Wow, I want to get over this so I can go down there and get some refreshments. I still gotta go 7 or 8 miles into the wind through farmland and stuff. Dollar Tree and Family Dollar is the same store here. How cool is that? I don't need to do this. I just am. There's power outlets where I'm gonna camp tonight. So gas station, I'm tired now. Gonna sit here for an hour and drink coffee and then go to the grocery store, get food. Gonna eat lunch and then on the road down to Kooskia. I've never been in this one, but I always find a health food store. You know, I want to buy like some sugar, some lentils, some quinoa. So hopefully they'll have it in here in bulk, so I don't have to buy a whole pound of it. I only want 2 or 3 days worth, you know? So yeah, let's see. That's what I'm talking about. I love these. There you go. No sugar.
Let me know if I can help you find.
24 miles to Kooskia. It's about 3:30. Sun doesn't set till 8, so I'm gonna hang out for another half hour and then ride, or until I get bored. But I just ate a whole can of beans, bread, and a whole thing of potato salad. So if I get on the road too fast, I'm gonna end up with stomach cramps or something. We gotta let that settle. Beautiful. It's rapeseed. That's what all these giant fields of yellow plants are. Rapeseed. Do we need that much rapeseed? Okay. I'm whipped. I still have 241 feet up, but 1,850 feet down. So we're in good shape. It's a little after 5. We'll probably be there in an hour or an hour and a half. Oh yeah. How awesome was that? This is so cool. City Park. They actually have a baseball game in progress. A bunch of kids playing here. They do let you camp here. I'm just gonna stay back here in the corner by the river, out of the way. I'm gonna probably go in town and check out a restaurant or something, get an order of something. I don't know. Maybe not. I'm beat. Wow, long day. That's 44 miles and 4,400 feet. Thank goodness it's over. I just sat down, but I caught the sunset just in time. Means everything is right. The babies. I just cooked a whole pound of angel hair in there. Hell yeah. I don't plan on eating it all tonight, but since I'm cooking it, I don't want to waste the gas. I'm happy. I had a huge bowl of pasta for dinner. I set the tent up for rain. I know this park, so there's a good chance that I'm going to be waking up with sprinklers in the morning. But I'm not going to sleep on concrete under the pavilion. And the sprinklers actually hit half the pavilion anyway. I'm hoping that I'm down here close to the river and the sprinklers don't make it here. But either way, I'm not worried about it. But I'm just like, we'll see. Well, we're not waking up with sprinklers, going to sleep with them. I knew it. Well, the bike needs a wash. That's okay. You're not going to believe this. Oh my God. Look at that. I damn near pitched my tent right on top of it. Wow. I knew it. It's the whole thing. I don't care. I would rather like just deal with the sprinklers than sleep on concrete. So it's one of those things, you know, you gotta choose the lesser of two evils. But yeah, there's always a solution. So I took the food bowl and I put the steaks there. And let's see if it blocks the water now. I bet it will. That's gonna work. Unreal. I knew it. I knew it. I need to get some seam sealer and some silicone spray because it's been a while since I've been in the tent in the rain and this sucker's leaking a little. Good to know. I can do it before I leave this town because I'm going to hit rain up the mountain the next 150 miles. So, real good to know. Come on. Oh boy, I'm going to get wet if this don't work. Oh. Let's see. Oh, can't wait to see if this works. It's gonna blow the thing right off of there. Oh my God. Look at that. Yeah. And subscribe to my channel. Because this is over. It's a commercial before this video. I didn't get paid for it. Just Google. Let's get a little money out of Google's pocket into mine. I deserve it. I'm working hard out here. Please, please subscribe. Grab your wife's phone. Get her to subscribe too. Let's look at